Let's dive deep into the characteristics and behaviors of lionfish, the impact they have on the marine environment, and the efforts being made to control their populations. Lionfish, also known as zebrafish, turkey fish, and firefish, are venomous marine fish that are native to the Indo-Pacific region. They are a popular species in the aquarium trade due to their striking appearance, but they are also a dangerous and invasive species in many parts of the world. Lionfish are characterized by their brightly colored stripes and elongated spines that protrude from their bodies. These spines are used as a defense mechanism against predators, and they contain venom-producing cells called nematocysts. When threatened, a lionfish will raise its spines and use them to ward off predators or intruders. The venom from a lionfish sting is a type of protein-based toxin that affects the nervous system and causes inflammation and tissue damage. The severity of the sting depends on a number of factors, including the size of the fish, the location of the sting, and the individual's sensitivity to the venom. In some cases, a lionfish sting can be extremely painful and may result in nausea, vomiting, and muscle weakness. While lionfish have become popular in the aquarium trade, they are also a problematic and invasive species in many parts of the world. Lionfish are prolific breeders and have a rapid growth rate, which has allowed them to quickly spread to new areas and compete with native marine species for food and habitat. They are particularly problematic in the Caribbean, where they have no natural predators and have caused significant damage to coral reef ecosystems. In addition to competing with native species, lionfish also consume juvenile fish, crustaceans, and other small marine animals, which can disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Despite their venomous spines, lionfish are preyed upon by a number of natural predators. Some of their most common predators include large fish such as groupers, sharks, and barracudas. These predators have learned to avoid the lionfish's spines and are able to prey on them by swallowing them whole, or biting off their spines before consuming the rest of the fish. In some parts of the world, humans also hunt lionfish as a way to control their populations and reduce the threat they pose to native marine species. There are even lionfish derbies that are held in some areas, where participants compete to catch as many lionfish as possible. While hunting can help to reduce lionfish populations, it is unlikely to eradicate the species entirely. In addition to hunting, scientists and conservationists are exploring a number of other methods for controlling lionfish populations, including the use of traps and sterilization techniques. Overall, lionfish are a complex and fascinating species that have both positive and negative impacts on marine ecosystems. While their venomous spines can be dangerous to humans and other animals, they are also an important part of the food chain and play a key role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As efforts continue to control lionfish populations and mitigate their impact on the marine environment, it is important to continue studying and learning about this intriguing species.